Hey you guys. This morning I put on some of my favorite aftershave lotion. Do you like how I smell? You do? Well, that means you're too fucking close. Keep your distance, know what I'm saying? We're practicing physical distancing, right? If you can smell my aftershave then you're too damn close. Back off, or I'll have to put on a face mask, got it? Hey, Noah, I've got one more thing to say. If you're thinking about changing Randy's agent video, forget about it. That is, unless you want to be sleeping with the fishes, catfish.
I see Randy and Karen left their planet for a safer environment. Earth is going through a very tough time right now, and I don't blame them one bit. Let's check on them to see how they're doing.
I'm on Uranus. What planet are you from?
I'm from Neptune. Looney Tunes.
So what's with all the yellow police tape around this meteor? Any idea, Mr. Spaceman?
Earth is in the middle of a virus outbreak. Many Earthlings have already perished. The yellow tape is to keep children away from the meteor so they do not get sick.
Not sure I understand. Is it to keep them from getting any meteor shit on their heads?
You are exactly right. I couldn't have explained it any better myself.
I should leave this planet immediately. I'm not wearing any personal protective equipment and I don't want to spread something to my colony. I'm out of here.
Goodbye and good luck, Planet Earth.
Face protectors on Earth? There are none to be found, so Earthlings will have to improvise. Their Surgeon General came up with an idea to make your own masks. And after watching the demonstration, Randy knew that if the Surgeon General can make one, so can Karen. So now, we will watch.
Or you can make a face covering out of an old t-shirt. Fold it to the middle from the bottom. Fold it to the middle from the top. Fold it again to the middle from the bottom. And again from the top. And then 2 rubber bands. One on one side and one on the other side. Then you fold either side to the middle and you have yourself cloth face covering.
What the Surgeon General didn't talk about were the dimensions of the cut fabric. But not to worry, I've got you covered. Cut a 16-inch square or pin and cut 2 together if you want 2 masks. Then fold the sides to the middle. And fold the sides to the middle again. Now we're ready for the rubber bands. Just slip them around the ends of the fabric, and then just fold the ends with the rubber bands to the middle one last time. And now, get ready to slip it on. Let's pay close attention because this is the exciting part. For those watching at home, you have just learned to make an instant, do-it-yourself cloth face covering. And depending on who your city mayor is, these may at some point be required during the biological warfare planet Earth is in the grips of now.
As easy as that.
Face masks could give humans a false sense of security. But for Randy and Karen, having those improvised cloth protectors might make going to the market a little less scary. From here, I can see the Force will help win the war. Inhabitants of planet Earth should live long and prosper. That is, if the economy can ever recover. Ciao for now!